We're outdoors. I'm Jay, and this is my world. By the way, good morning. Today is the 23rd of December. A couple more days and Christmas. Getting set to head out to go fishing. For today, I woke my ass up super early and was like, well, I guess I'm gonna go fishing as the sun comes up. Got to see the sun is just probably coming up. I got pictures before that too. So, anyways, going to the lake, I caught a new PB white bass yesterday. It weighed 1 pound 2 ounces, so I'm pretty happy about that. I did not get that on film, but I did that when I got home and filleted it. Look at that nice white bass. He's probably a good pound. Yeah, that one, he gilled himself. So the fishing's been pretty damn slow today. Half hour till 4 hours on the lake. We got a couple good hits. Just they're not grabbing it. Wintertime's a tough time to fish. Way it goes. Win some, you lose some. Hopefully I can catch a fish. That's enough, buddy. Merry Christmas to everybody. So we're out fishing. Decided that it was a nice day and it was Christmas. And so yeah, we're out here on the lake for a couple hours to enjoy the day. Hopefully we catch a fish. You're gonna get me wet, ain't you? Tell the fish. Mo doing his thing. Doing the Titanic thing. I'm pretty slow. Only got a couple little nibbles today. Nothing worth a damn. So Mo is telling me that he wants to go home. It's only been an hour and a half and he's like, I want to go home. Or 2.5 hours, something like that, I don't know. Anyways, he's all butthurt because he wants to go home. Merry ho ho. What's that, Mo? You want to go home? What? You want to go home, little man? Huh? It's Christmas. We need to be out on the lake fishing. We need to catch a fish. You want to catch a fish? I know, but you need to be a good boy and lay down before you tip us. Doing his Titanic thing again. You're gonna fall in the lake, dude. Yeah, he moves around. He makes this whole kayak act different. Anyways.